New York City Police Department would like to remind you to keep your belongings inside and stay aware of your surroundings. If you see something suspicious in the station or on the train, tell a police officer or an MTA employee. Thanks for riding with us.
Hey yo, what's going on YouTube family? How's everybody doing today? And welcome to another episode on my YouTube channel. And in today's episode, as you can see, I'm riding on the 7 train and there's nobody around. I mean, it's completely dead, guys. Like, this is crazy. As you can see, like, I'm on this train riding it from work. As you can see, look at me right there. Hey yo, what's going on? Yo. But I mean, it is so dead. Like, when they said about the coronavirus pandemic, I mean, I didn't think that all the trains were gonna be so dead. And like, this is so crazy, guys. It's crazy. Just itself, it's empty. An empty train. And I'm on the 7 train, guys, as you can see. It's crazy. Man, guys, I'm telling you, it's sad. I'm telling you, very sad. I'm just doing this because what else is there to see? There's nobody in the train. Nobody, guys. I mean, look. Nobody in the train, guys. Nobody. And nobody in the stations at all. Nothing, guys. They really decided not to come out. There was nobody. You don't see the platform is pretty much empty. What? So empty, guys. It is so empty. Every station is empty. This is crazy, guys.
Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train.
Unbelievable.
The next stop is Hunters Point Avenue.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Everything's empty, guys. Just look. It's so empty, guys. You don't even know it, man. It's just crazy. Very empty. Damn, guys, I'm telling you, this is so sad. Nobody in the station. Nobody at all, man. This is so sad. It's so sad because it's like, look at this. I mean, what are we gonna do, guys? Nothing.
This is Hunters Point Avenue.
Everybody's in quarantine. Look at this. You don't see nobody. Man, this is crazy. Nobody, guys. Nobody.
Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is Fort Square.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Just by walking it, it's like you don't see anybody. This is so crazy. So crazy, guys. Empty ass fucking train, guys. Empty ass fucking train. I just wanted to do a short video to show y'all that even though it's 11 o'clock at night, it's just sad, man. Look at that. Nothing going on. Nothing. Everything's just dead. So guys, I just wanted to show you this so you could see that everybody's on quarantine because of the COVID-19. So if you like what you see and you're interested in joining the exclusive family Discord group channel, you already know I'm going to put the link in the description below. You know who I be. They call me your Mills, they call me Nomad Patriot, and they call me the Slider. Until next time, guys, take care of yourselves, stay at home, and may God bless you all. And take care, guys. And don't forget to hit me up if on the Discord. If you guys want it, I'm gonna put the link in the description below. Okay, guys? the exclusive family.
This is a Flushing Main Street bound 7 local train. The next stop is Queensboro Plaza.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.